Alright, this is the project for the t-shirt design. You're going to use a historical person by first starting with a new file and size of a sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11, and I'll leave that at 300. You can drop this down to 150, but I'll leave mine at 300. And click create. And then you'll find your image that you downloaded of the person you're going to create. I'm going to use Tesla. Oh crap, that's tiny. Alright. Okay, cool. That's big enough. Alright, so first thing you do, down here in the bottom you have adjustments, mask layer, FX, or layer FX. Go on the adjustments and you can make it black and white, but mine's already black and white. If it's not black and white, if I remember, I think it's threshold. Yeah, threshold. So you can adjust the threshold to how much of his face you see. If you add too much, then it tends to disappear. If you leave it at just enough, and then, so that's about 50%. Yeah, that's fine. So we're going to leave it at that. Create a new pixel layer above. Grab the pen tool, and what you're going to do now is trace around it. So even where the nose is, some of it you'll have to simplify, which here I'll show you. So as you see, I'm not actually following all the pixel blocks. I'm sort of creating my own pixel block for this and going around clicking, click and drag, click, hold and drag, and then as you get rid of that handle, you see the little negative, click that, come back around the other side, go leave that one on, and I'll leave that one on too. And creating his mustache. Oops. Turn that off. And let me adjust this one. Oop, that's not what I wanted. What? Oh, I did get that tool. Okay, cool. Moving that one over. And to select back on it, that one's red. That's not selected, so you got to select it first. And then grab the pen tool again, wait for it to be a slash or negative sign. And now you can continue your curve. I'm going to adjust that. And we have our first shape done. So I'm going to flip these. So sometimes this might be actually colored in. You just turn it off down here. And what you should start seeing is, I'll turn this off temporarily. I guess I didn't need a pixel layer. I didn't need that. Alright, I'll throw them in the trash. Sometimes the reason why I actually add a pixel layer is sometimes it puts it on that layer, or sometimes it creates a new curve layer. I still haven't figured out what this program is doing sometimes. So that's the mustache. And then we do a little bit more of the face. And I'm going to recreate it. And this is going to be, where's my other color swatches? What happened? Embrace colors. That's too many colors. Where's the default colors? Oh, yeah, that's fine. Whatever. And then go up to the eyeball. I'll do this also, lower the opacity so it's a little bit easier to see what I'm doing. So here at the side of the face, it's a mess. I mess up a whole bunch of dots. So what you have to do is simplify them. Where did they go? Where did they go? And they did some weird stuff. Disappeared on me. So I will manually curve it. Go back to the pen tool. I'll fix that later. No, it's not perfect. This is going to be pretty much all black, but I'm doing this so I can actually draw in the face first. Alright, let's see what we have. Pull the handles. Start here, go around, and I'm going past it, and I hit it does that, stop disappearing. Oh Lord. Annoying. As you see how it's sort of shaping out. And what you'll do is just go around all the black and shape it up in here. You do the same thing with the hair. You can do that in white and then cut a hole in it, or leave it. It doesn't really matter which one you do. So I would continue to trace out the eyebrow, the eye socket eyebrow, earlobe, and make sure I save. Alright, and that's the beginning of the project. What?